If you've been searching for legit remote jobs that you can do from home and you're tired of wasting time on listings that either don't pay enough or confusing or overwhelming, then this video is for you. Because today I'm going to show you real companies that are hiring for remote positions right now. Some of these offer flexible schedules, benefits, PTO, and sick pay. Make sure you stay till the end because I'm also going to show you something that can help you build income online without having to rely on a job at all. But before we jump in, if you like videos that help you make money from home, find real opportunities, creating the income online, go ahead, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I post new videos every single day to help you get ahead financially and find your ideal remote job. First job is with Disney, and they're looking for a copy editor. This is part-time, fully remote, and what you'll do is copy edit manuscripts. So you need 3 years experience. This position pays $35 an hour. Availability on weekdays during business hours. Knowledge of sports and pop culture is a plus. So obviously it's a recurring remote role with no guarantee of weekly working hours, as hours will fluctuate based on business needs. So this is just a really part-time. Next position is with a company called Amazon, and they're looking for a revenue cycle analyst. And what you'll do is you'll be responsible for supporting Amazon One medical revenue cycle team. I don't know what any of that means. But anyway, here are your responsibilities and your qualifications. And they do require 2 years of complex healthcare customer service experience. And starting pay is anywhere from $15 to $27 an hour. And here are the benefits that you will get. Medical, dental, vision, 401k, PTO, up to 88 hours. So that includes paid personal time and vacation time. It's got to be more than that because 88 hours is only 2 days off. No, 2 weeks off. Employee discount, Amazon.com. You get 10% discount on qualified purchases to save up to $100 per calendar year. And you get all the rest of these benefits. This next is a TikTok social programming temporary position with Warner Brothers. What you'll do is you'll be responsible for helping set the look and feel of our TikTok channel while helping lead our production and distribution. We're looking for sports fanatic and culture junkies with strong video editing skills who know how to find and distribute engaging sports content in a fast-paced and cross-platform collaborative environment. That actually sounds really fun. Here are some other role things that you need. So cover sports events and live shows as they're happening. So you must have a deep knowledge of reels and shorts. You have to have experience growing and following and engagement on TikTok. 1 to 2 years professional experience required. The pay is $43,000 to $81,000 per year. And you get health insurance coverage, retirement savings, paid holiday, sick time, vacation. But here's the thing, even with a great remote job, you're still trading your time for money. And that's actually why I started to learn how to build an income from home, because I've been laid off twice in the last 10 years. And I was looking for something that I could get paid daily based on skills, not hours. So if you are interested in learning how to build a simple, beginner-friendly way, start to earn online without having to bug your friends and family, without having to deal with constant rejection, I have a free step-by-step blueprint that shows you exactly how all this works. And you can check it out in the description below. Next job I have is with a company called Mission Wired. They're looking for an account coordinator. And it looks like this is a contract position. So high quality project management across multiple initiatives at once. Here are other responsibilities of the job. Qualifications. The salary is $60,000 a year. It's temporary. And it'll be ending November 6th. And they are currently hiring in these states and offering all these benefits here. Now, if that position isn't a fit for you, they do have a good amount of other positions open. Accounts and strategy, ads, design, finance, freelance, people and culture. Next is a company called Camber. They're looking for a medical billing The pay is $18 to $20 per hour. And this one looks like it's contract as well. Sorry, I typically do try to find full-time, including all benefits, but for some reason, this just happens to be a contract role. Minimum availability of 35 hours per week. And it looks like they are prioritizing in-person and hybrid candidates, but it does say it's remote. Next company is One Lead, customer support specialist. And what you'll do is monitor and respond to customer questions across Slack shared channels and the support ticket queue. They do require 2 years customer facing experience. Salary is $50,000 to $65,000 a year. Additional benefits to be confirmed during the hiring process. And then here are some perks and benefits. Health and wellness benefits, 20 days PTO plus 8 floating holidays. Team offsites, which is really cool. Next is with a company called Handshake. They're looking for a video content producer and AI trainer. Compensation is $125 an hour. It's a contract position. This is a good fit if you have experience in shot cut, open shot, and Lightworks. Anyway, if you're into video editing, obviously. Here are some of the qualifications, the application process. The schedule is flexible, no minimum hour requirement, work approximately 5 to 20 hours per week. Next, I have a part-time operations analyst position. The pay is $22 to $25 an hour, and you'll manage the day-to-day tasks of processing. And here is what you will do. Next is with a company called Fathom, Deal Desk Associate position. So that it supports sales organization. Here are the responsibilities as well as requirements. So they're looking for 2 years experience, and they say they hire pretty quickly. Now, if that is a position that you're not interested in, it looks like they do have about 9 other positions open: recruiting and marketing, engineering. Last is a customer success manager position with Dropbox. Here is the description of the role, the responsibilities. They do require 5 years experience. Now, compensation does depend on where you are located. Now, they do offer health and financial coverage, PTO, family support, and of course, additional benefits. Now, if that is a position maybe you're not interested in, they do have 35 other positions that they are currently hiring for. So it looks like engineering and legal, sales, data scientists. So if I haven't covered maybe a position that you're currently looking for, let me know in the comments exactly what you're looking for, because then when I do my research and I come across it, then I can feature it in a future video. Let me also know what kind of benefits you're looking for, if you're actually looking for any. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see future videos just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.